love the idea of having a tire that will actually increase your range and, you know, cut out some of that noise that we get from the road. Happy birthday to our Model 3. So if you guys have been following along with our DIY series, you know that we are not waiting for the Model 3 refresh. And today we're gonna be adding these 19-inch wheels and these just unveiled tires. So not only do these things give you a quieter ride, these are EV specific. The tread on them will actually maximize your range and almost double the life of your tires. So let's do it. If you're a subscriber, you've been behind the scenes with us on our series of Tesla DIYs, where I've installed some of the most advanced headlights, taillights, and Tesla instrument clusters and screens on the market. In today's DIY, I'll continue by installing a unique combination of Tesla-specific wheels and tires that not only give you the ultimate performance look, but also improve ride comfort, cabin noise, tire longevity, and range. So I'm really curious. We actually have a scale out here. We're gonna check it out. We have our 18-inch stock wheels right here, and then these are the new ones. These are the 19-inch TSV wheels. There's the old one. About 47 pounds. Now we have this baby I'm gonna be careful with because I accidentally dropped it a second ago. Felt very, these things roll.
Castings. And castings are the thickest material, the heaviest wheel. Tsportline wheels, we flow forge it. You have the barrel that's actually forged. The only part that's cast is the face, and it makes thinner walls which are stronger but lighter than the casting. So castings are heavy.
Yeah.
Flow forged, which is what you have here, is a reduction in weight, and then our fully forged wheels are the lightest and strongest wheels. A little more expensive, but that's how it works. So
we decided to pair up Tsportline's 19-inch TSVs with a brand new EV-specific tire that Hankook just released.
This is a new EV-centric tire.
These Ion EVO tires not only have sound-absorbing foam inside to help reduce road noise, its uniquely designed grooves inside the tread pattern also cut down on noise. A compound of high-concentration silica allows the tires to evenly spread road pressure, extending tire life by at least 25%. They also come with a 50,000-mile warranty as well. Plus, its rolling resistance has been optimized for EVs, so you can expect an increase in range of 6% per charge. So I'm gonna have Alex pull up our car to put it on his lift, but what's cool is that I don't actually have to give him my key card or my phone to open up our Model 3. I'm giving him my watch because it has the Teri app installed on it. Thanks to Teri for sponsoring this video. So if you have a Tesla and an Apple Watch, this is going to be one of your favorite apps. The Teri app lets your watch unlock your car, open windows, start your car, and even Siri voice controls, all while your phone is locked and away. Whoa! And here's a rare one for third-party Tesla apps. The Teri app also doesn't collect your data and there's no server involvement as they prioritize user privacy, which was a huge plus for me when trying this out. Just download and install Teri on your phone and Apple Watch, link the app with your Tesla account, and you instantly get some of the best features you have on your phone right on your watch. To get yours, click the link in the description below and enter code Kim in the referrer box and get the app for around $2 a month. Okay, let's get back to it.
Local tire shops may grab the wheel on the inside down here and it'll scratch the wheel. So we work in the lug nut holes or in the bore. There's actually a wheel that's loading the tire to simulate like it's on the road, which is going to give us the best possible dynamic balance on this.
And this also kind of gives me some cred because I was lifting these things by myself.
It's not just like weight that's in the car, it's actually unsprung mass, meaning that the wheels move around. So as you reduce that, the car will handle better. You can imagine if you have like 80 pounds of moving opposite the car, like a wheel could be, that's going to turn into an impact in what you feel in the car and the ride and the dynamics as you drive over bumps and like go around corners. If you were racing, this would really be important stuff. But even on a regular driving situation, reducing the unsprung mass will make the car handle better.
So we are gonna put our Model 3 on a lift and we're gonna be taking off the wheels and the tires. There it is right there. And now for the fun part. How safe is it?
Pretty safe. This click, see here, are like mechanical locks. We can set it down now. So it's physically sitting on locks, so now we're safe.
Just kidding. Alex, any pro tips how not to scratch it when I screw this in?
That's kind of what these sockets are for.
We're gonna switch over to this one that has the plastic so it won't scratch. You don't want to lose this key. It kind of blends right in with the floor. So, you know, always keep your nuts close by. All right. That's it.
So now we're going to torque our lug nuts to 129 foot-pounds.
All right. So these come with the Tsportline center cap, but we're actually switching out to the Tesla ones, which are the official Tesla ones that they sell here that you can get when you're getting new wheels. All right. Wow. Beautiful. I love these, such a nice sporty look, and I love that they're actually functional too. If you're interested in these, they were kind enough to offer our viewers a 10% discount on any Tsportline wheel and tire package. I'll link them down below. It's valid for all 19 to 22 inch Tsportline wheels and for all 4 Tesla models. Just use code TSVKIM for your 10% off discount. That same code will also get you guys discounts for carbon fiber parts, tool and jackpot kit, and even applies on their already marked down overstock wheels. So you should definitely check them out. We have new wheels, new tires, these amazing calipers with our Kim Java decal, swivel center screen now, the new dash component, we have the yoke steering, we have the back screen, but we still have more to go. Today we're going to be adding a spoiler. Clean it off here. That is nice. I love this. All right, let's do it. Is this the adhesive right here I just peeled off and then buck it on?
I think I usually try and line it up with like the edge of the light right here. We'll just put it in between these two pieces of tape.
Is it on there?
A little push.
That looks so good. I mean, step over, move over, Project Highland. Who cares about you? We have our new refreshed Model 3 right here. And it's unique, right? Like, we've designed everything that we've ever dreamed of, we have put onto our Model 3, and that's why DIYs are so much fun. All right, guys, a little to the right, a little to the left. So we just finished the mod on our Model 3, and we talked them into letting us borrow this R1T, and this is an R1T like nothing you have ever seen before. It is fully loaded with all kinds of goodies. We have a shower on top. The kids, I just realized, this is like a squirt gun. This is like the ultimate super soaker, right? We have a camper. So when your kids no longer ask for a tree house, this is what they want. It's nice. And just all kinds of stuff in there. And we're headed out on a road trip, so make sure that you guys are subscribed. You're not gonna wanna miss this.
This is a more aerodynamic wheel than that one without the aero cover, so you'll have better range with this wheel than that one with no aero cover. These channels in here, and these are called sipes, this is how water gets out. As this tread wears, there's less channeling for the water to get out, so this is a little unsafe when you're going through like huge puddles and stuff. More of a hydroplaning risk, where a brand new tire, you have really deep channels, you can plow through water no problem. So every car has a sticker in the door jamb that's going to tell you what the tire pressure should be set at. This is 42 pounds. So you're going to want to set this thing to 42 pounds. Actually, maybe 42 and a half, because when you pull it off, you lose a little bit of air. And keeping all your tires at the right pressure is really important for a few things. From a range perspective, as you see in the new Tesla software, if the tire's underinflated, it's going to cost you range. The other thing is the wear of the tire. If the tire's overinflated, it's going to wear in the middle. If it's underinflated, it's going to wear on the sides. Generally, the best performance and the safest thing is to have the tire pressure set exactly where it should be. The wheel itself, the integrity of the wheel, is designed and tested, meaning it'll carry the load of a Tesla, and it passes impact testing, so you hit a pothole or something, it's not going to break the wheel. So that's high confidence on the wheel. We'll assemble the whole thing. We've got no-touch mounting and balancing.
So they can do this in Atlanta, in Van Nuys.
That's if they want to get it installed. We'll actually do this here and ship
Okay.
it to your house, or we can ship it to a local tire shop that does the installation.
Okay.
Or you can come to us.
Hey, Landon,
Yes.
did Liam step on glass? What's going on?
Yeah, I stepped on that.
Is he okay?
I don't think so. I don't. I'm kidding.
Just be careful, because sometimes there's little tiny pieces of glass when you break picture frames and stuff like that you can't see. We'll see you soon. I love you.
I love you too.
Bye. This is how we make our videos. We have babysitters, kids are at home, stepping on glass.